Happy Wednesday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at the national coast-to-coast forecast. Good news is that our severe weather concerns are fading a bit, not quite as impressive as it looked earlier this week. There will be some showers and storms turning strong to severe, I'm assuming over the next few days, but again, the threat is a little bit lower. Excessive heat still in place over the central U.S., and we're also looking at that along the eastern seaboard and in the western U.S., but cooler towards the end of the week, especially here in the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the Ohio Valley. But for today, we have this heat advisory and excessive heat warning taking up a pretty good residence of the south central U.S., and this is where heat index values this afternoon could be topping out at 110, maybe even 115, and still plenty hot along the western coast there of Oregon and even northern California. And today we do have a severe weather concern from the Great Lakes down to the Gulf Coast states. A marginal threat means that the thunderstorm activity certainly could be there, but not necessarily widespread by any means. And then the threat shifting along and east of the Appalachians down into the lower Mississippi Valley, and then another threat on Friday across the Midwest. But the monsoon moisture continues in the southwest. We're going to have this on a daily basis, which is good news, and actually starting to see some of the moisture roll into California where we do need it. But some of the heaviest over the next 5 days is expected over Florida, maybe 3 to 6 plus as a stalled up boundary continues. Even along eastern North and South Carolina and the lower Mississippi Valley, some fairly impressive amounts of precipitation. But there is that pretty unusually strong area of low pressure lifting north towards the Hudson Bay that'll help to flush out that high humidity. So Minneapolis today, not too bad, but still very hot and humid as you get into this particular part of the nation. 93 in D.C. today. Tomorrow will be at 93 there as well. Dallas up to 100 and 90 in New Orleans for your Friday, but still not too bad as you head towards the Midwest. Have a good one.